Hello dear student, I am Sunny and most welcome to SS study group. So now we going to learn what differentiation of one function with respect to another function. So with example only we can understand how we find derivative of one function with respect to another function. So let's come and learn. See here, if example given function e k power x differentiate with respect to root of x, what we will do? Now take this function as equal to u and this function is equal to v. Now u is equal to let e k power x and v is equal to let root of x. Now we need to find du by dv. So differentiation of first function with respect to second function. What we will do in this function, both function is variable of x, then first need to differentiate with respect to x. See how I going to differentiate. In this function can I written du by dx upon dv by dx. What happened? Dx get cancelled, then finally we get du by one function with respect to another function. So let's come and differentiate. So see here, first we need to find du by dx. So du by dx is equal to e k power x, differentiation should be e k power x. Now and dv by dx, what happened? It will get 1 by 2 root of x. Now substitute those value in this first equation. What happened? Du by dv is equal to e k power x upon 1 by 2 root of x. So now just we take du by dv is equal to 2 root of x e k power x. So this is the answer of this question. Can you understand? Now again we solve more example, then we understand how find differentiation one function with respect to another function. So let's come. If given function sin squared x differentiate with respect to e k power cos of x, what we will do? Again we apply same rule. What is that rule? Take first function is u and second function is equal to v. What happened? Now we need to find du by dv. So we need to arrange du by dx upon dv by dx. So dx get cancelled and then finally we get du by dv. That means one function with respect to another function. So now see, u is equal to sin square of x. So find du by dx is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Next, and v is equal to e k power cos x. What happened? Find dv by dx is equal to e k power cos x into cos x, differentiation should be minus of sin x. Now just we substitute this value, this two value is here, then du by dv is equal to what happened? Du by dx is equal to 2 sin of x into cos of x upon dv by dx is equal to e k power cos x into minus of sin x. Now sin x get cancelled and remaining function 2 cos of x divided by minus e k power cos of x. So this is du by dv. So how to find one function with respect to another? Can you understand? Next we come and see one more example. To see here, if find differentiate log of x with respect to cot x. What happened? Again applying same approach here, taking u is log x and v is cot x. Now find first du by dx. What happened? U is our log x, so find du by dx is equal to 1 by x, and now v is equal to cot x. So applying same approach here, dv by dx is equal to minus cosec squared of x. What happened? See here, just we need to find du by dv. So we need to write here du by dx upon dv by dx. So see here, if we write like this, dx get cancelled and be getting du by dv. So just substitute du by dx value and dv by dx value. So what is du by dx value? Be getting 1 upon x and divided by dv by dx value is minus cosec squared of x. Now separate this value 1 by minus 1 by x into cosec square of x. So this is very easy to differentiate one function with respect to another function. So this is easy way to differentiate one function with respect to another function. I hope can you understand how to find differentiation one function with respect to another function. So now see, this is very important question. Now applying same approach here. What is that approach? Taking first function is u and second function is equal to v. Now first I taking v is equal to what we take? V is equal to tan inverse of x. Now just stop x. What happened? Be getting tan of v. Now and u is equal to our function tan inverse of 1 plus x squared minus 1 upon x. Now substitute x is equal to tan v. What happened? Be getting tan inverse of 1 plus tan squared of v minus 1 upon tan v. Now next u is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan square theta, be getting sec square theta. If we get out of root, then we get only sec v minus 1 upon tan of v. Now u is equal to tan inverse of sec v. Can I write 1 by cos of v minus 1 upon tan v? We write sin v upon cos v. So now here what we getting? U is equal to tan inverse 1 by cos v minus 1 divided by sin v by cos v. What happened? Be taking LCM here. So u is equal to tan inverse of, here be taking LCM cos v. What happened? Be getting upper side 1 minus cos v upon, be getting below side sin v upon cos v. Now cos v get cancelled. What happened? Be getting here u is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos v upon sin v. Now we have here one formula. What formula? U is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos v is equal to 2 sin square v by 2 and upon sin v 2 sin of v by 2 into cos of v by 2. So now one sign get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. What happened? Be getting here u is equal to tan inverse of sin v by 2 upon cos v by 2. So now tan inverse sin by cos, be getting tan v by 2. Now u is equal to tan get cancelled, be only getting v by 2. Now find differentiation of du with respect to v, because du by dv only we need to find first function with respect to another function. So du by dv is equal to, be getting simply 1 by 2. So this is the way to find differentiation of one function with respect to another function. So I hope you can understand. Again I am going to repeat it. So see here, this is BBI question. Differentiation of tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Differentiate with respect to tan inverse of x. What I take v is equal to tan inverse x. Applying same approach here, what u is the first function and v is the second function. Now I am taking v is equal to tan inverse x. What happened? Be taking x is equal to tan v. Now u is equal to, our function is tan inverse of 1 plus root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. What we will do? So substitute x is equal to tan v. So now see, u is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus x square is equal to v as tan square v. Now minus 1 divided by tan v. Now u is equal to tan inverse and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, be getting sec theta. Now so sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta, like sec v minus 1 divided by tan v. Now u is equal to tan inverse and sec v I can write 1 by cos v, because sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is the standard formula. So I can written here 1 by cos v minus 1 and upon tan v we can write sin upon cos. Now see, u is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos b, because b taking here LCM, so b getting LCM cos b, then we get 1 minus cos b upon cos b and sin b upon cos b. Now cos get cancelled. What happened? We getting tan inverse 1 minus b cos b divided by sin b. Now next, u is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos b. A standard formula we have 2 sin square v by 2, and sin v we having 2 sin v by 2 into cos v by 2. So that same formula I am substituting here, and we getting u is equal to tan inverse of 2 get cancelled, sin square v by 2 and remaining below sin v by 2. 1 sin get cancelled, remaining function sin v by 2 upon cos v by 2. Now u is equal to tan inverse sin by cos, we getting tan. So now tan get cancelled. What happened? Remaining v by 2. Now what they saying, you find differentiation first function with respect to second function. First function is u and second function is v. So find du by dv. That's why I am direct differentiate with respect to v. What we getting? Du by dv is equal to v differentiation should be 1 and 1 by 2 is the constant. So differentiation of first function with respect to another function be getting 1 by 2. So I hope you can understand.